Good morning, guys. It's Paul Edison on the deck. This morning I'm going to teach you guys on how to run Facebook ads. Most of my clients people that run traffic ads, so I'm going to teach you basically traffic ads for networkers. If you're into MLM like Longreach, Jigsmore, Superlife, New Life. So that's what I'm teaching you right now. Just focus and learn. It's quite easy. So I'm gonna take this out of the screen right now. Okay. So go to Facebook ad. So there's a difference between Facebook and the Facebook ad app. This is the Facebook ad app. So you click it. But before you do this, you must have had your pictures, the picture you need to use for the adverts, the text you want to use for the advert. You must have had everything on the ground. So what you need to do is you can see example of ads that I've run recently. You can see this one ad, Jigsmore, Golden Life, different ads. But I tell you, if you do your ads well, you don't have to charge so much. A maximum 3 naira per click. So that's maximum. Don't let your ad charge more than that. So we're gonna be running drive traffic. We're gonna be driving traffic to our website. The website is a WhatsApp API. So we'll be driving new customers to our WhatsApp group. So this is basically for Nigerian networkers. So if you're into Longreach, MLM, any MLM like Longreach, New Life, Superlife, and etc. Just do this. So I had existing pictures. Let me select one of the pictures. My network kind of slow right now, but okay. I've run so many ads on this, so I'm going to run a Jigsmore ad. So after this, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate ads too. So you don't have to run ads every time. All you need to do is just change the link and duplicate the ad. So I'm looking for my picture, the picture I normally use for my ads, for that particular ad. Okay, the picture delivers very well. So you need to have text runs and know the ads that will deliver well. This particular one delivers so well. So I'm going to use it. Okay. Headline, I'm gonna put something like live healthy. And wealthy. Just write something that makes sense, something that can just give you the boost. So that picture, that picture is something that you cannot just scroll past. If you come there, you must. Then you okay. You also need to have written some. This is where I do my stuff. I have some write-ups here that I just copy and paste. I work daily writing this down. Okay, over time. Let's see. Okay. Let me see a better one. I had to just drop this video so quick, so I didn't make some things ready. Okay, it's a good one. My name is Tonya. I use this one a lot. Used a lot. So I'm gonna take, copy. This is my sticky. I do most of my write-ups here, then I copy and paste. All the write-ups were from me. No copyrights. I didn't copy it from anywhere. I did it all by myself. So it's just a skill that when you start with time, you get used to it. You see the link I attached is someone's link. So the same link, I'm going to copy that link for space for website. The same WhatsApp group link. It's what you put there. So I put it there. So that is just for a testing. Then always put a click to action button. Don't leave your ad vacant. Don't just leave it empty. Always put a click to action. Either download, book more, shop more, sign up. But I'm going to put learn more here. You can even put shop now. depending on how you want the people to react. So I'm going to put learn more for them to know more about what I'm doing. So this is a preview of the ad. It's going to be loading now. So quick. I have to go somewhere. I have to meet up with a meeting. Damn it. Okay, don't worry. I'll show you the preview later. So I already have a target. I already have an audience that I've created before. So I have named it Jigsaw set ad set 1 and ad set 2. So you can see Jigsaw, you can see Jigsaw, you can see this Jigsaw ad set 2. So I'll select it, or Jigsaw ad set 1. See? So each of the ads will deliver to about 14 million people. 14 million people. Okay, let me show you what I did there. The things that made the ads up. Okay, these are the targeted people with interests. Okay, you can see soft drinks, Nigerian cuisine, Facebook, cuisine, food, beverages, WhatsApp. You can add more. So let me say I add Instagram. People that are interested on Instagram that are Nigerians that would love to drink. So let your ad always not overlap. Don't let your target overlap, because you will be bidding against yourself. So don't let your ad overlap. So are you targeting women alone or men? So I'm going to target everybody could buy this. You can see your audience is defined and has a potential reach of 14 million people. So it can reach over 14 million people. I am targeting the whole of Nigeria, not just a state in Nigeria. You can see that. Targeting the whole of Nigeria. And okay, I'm going to save that now. I'm going to update. Okay. I'm going to save as new. I'll put it as copy because I already have one. Okay. Then the budgeting now. I'm going to be quick with this. Seriously, I'm going to be quick. I'm going for a meeting. And I just have to drop this because of my clients that wanted me to. Okay, this is, I'm going to set like, let's say, for a day. If I want these ads to be massive, I really want this ad to be massive. I want people to come, click, and buy and purchase. I want it to be massive. Okay, let's say I set 1,000 naira every day. So I'm planning to spend 7,000 naira for this ad per week. You understand? But sometimes you don't have to spend as much as that. But for this particular one, just for testing, sometimes I spend more than this. Yes, sometimes I spend more than this. Sometimes I spend far less than this. But you need expertise. To do this. So you have to watch this video till the end and know what it means. And I'll teach you on my next video. I'll be showing you how to duplicate ads too, how to duplicate Facebook ads. So it's quite easy using the Facebook app, but it's more technical when you use the system and you go to the Facebook ad website. It's different from the normal Facebook website, facebook.com/ad-manager, and you see that you have more tools to work with there. But this is a simpler step, so I'm going to be quick with it. So you can see your potential reach for a day to about 1,400 people to 3,900 people, about 4,000 people. So I'm not going to run this ad for continuous wise. I'm going to put it for of that. So the ad is going to run for 7 days. You can see that 7,000 naira. You can see the ad will spend up to 7,000 naira. And I'm going to set, okay, that's okay. So you see, I'm quick with that. So within 15 minutes we are done with our ad. Oh, it's not even up to 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes we are done. We're done. So let's wait for the preview. We need to see how our ad will look like. Okay, it's coming up. Wait for it. Come on, what's holding it? What's holding it? I think my app is out of date. It needs an update, I think. Let's wait and see the preview, how the ad should look like. Okay, this is how the ad will look like on story. This is how it will look like on story. So you can see that my name is Tony. I present this how I look on people's phone as a mobile native. But what I'm looking for is this mobile feed. It's not loading. Okay, probably is an issue, but let me correct something. So you have to preview and check. So you place the order. You can see that some ads are not approved because it does not it's not policy compliant. So I'm gonna delete those ads. So I was running an ad for Jama Life. Okay, once it's approved, it will tell you to duplicate. If you like, you can duplicate it. Okay, let's say you want to duplicate it. You can change the picture to see which picture would deliver better. So this is an important part. So what I'll do now is I'll go there and see if I can use a different picture and okay, I'm gonna try this. So I'm comparing what I'm doing now. I'm comparing two pictures now. So okay, the test will be the same. Okay, let me save it. I'm gonna okay for the okay, that's okay. Let's see. Okay, audience. I'm gonna change the audience to Jama. I'm gonna change the audience. I want to use ad set 2 now. Select different audience. I was using Jigsmall ad set copy 1. So now I'm gonna use okay, I was using 1, but now I'm gonna use 2. Comparing the 2 out, which one would deliver more? And I'm gonna increase this age and see. Let me maybe add different. So okay, save as new. I'm gonna call it Jigsmall copy. So I'll delete that later because I don't need them. I'm doing it for the purpose of the video. So place this order. See? So this is how you run your ads. So it's on review now. You can see the ad is on review. So when it's approved, your ad kicks off. And make sure there is money on your ad account. I hope you know how to add money to your ad account. Okay, on the next video I'm going to show you how to add money on your ad account. I'm sure most of my clients and my students know how to add money now. So I'm going to stop this video here. Please, if you watch this video to the end, to this point, and it's helpful to you, do your best. Please try to subscribe to my channel. That's the only way you're supporting me. You are not paying for this video. You are not paying me in any way for this video. So just please support me by subscribing to my channel to promote the channel. And if you can go further, click the subscription button so that anytime I drop a new video, you can get an update that a new video has been dropped for you to watch and learn. And if you can go further, you can go on to like my videos and watch more videos. I dropped some videos on PayPal, how to receive money on PayPal, different videos. And the next video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your ad account and how to do a copy ad. It's all for free. You don't have to pay me. I've run many paid classes. Now I'm doing free classes. So the only way you can support me now is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless.